Meaning of glimmer.
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 Glimmer. The word glimmer refers to a faint or slight amount of light, often in a way that is intermittent or fleeting. It can also be used metaphorically to refer to a small indication or trace of something, such as a glimmer of hope or a glimmer of understanding. The concept of glimmer is often associated with the idea of something hazy or unclear, just barely visible through a fog or mist. Overall, glimmer suggests a sense of something barely there, but still present enough to catch our attention and spark our curiosity.